Hi, welcome to the explanation of a new problem. So the problem is check if the sentence is pangram. So here we are given a sentence and we have to check if the sentence is a pangram or not. What is a pangram? So pangram is basically a sentence where every letter of English alphabet from A to Z is present at least once. For example, if we have a string which contains only three alphabets, then the string will not be a pangram. For a string to be a pangram, every single alphabet should be present at least one in it. So let's understand this with the help of an example. Suppose this is the sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Here, if you carefully observe, from A to Z, every single alphabet is present in this string. Therefore, this string is a pangram. While in this string, only three alphabets are present. Therefore, this string will not be a pangram. I hope this thing is clear when the string is said to be a pangram and when the string is said to not be a pangram. So now let's see how we are going to find out whether the string is a pangram or not. For that, we will create an array of length 26 where at every index initially we have 0 present. Like this, the length of array will be 26 like this and so on. So our task is to find out at every index the frequency of every character. So the index 0 will correspond to 1, index 1 will correspond to B, index 2 will correspond to C, and the last index will correspond to Z. So this is the idea we are going to follow. Now, the main thing is how will we find out whether the index of A is 0 and B is 1 and so on. So we know the sky value of A is 65. We will keep this as reference. If we encounter any other element, for example, the character we encountered is B and we know the sky value of B is 66. So what will we do? To find the index at which we have to input the frequency, we will subtract the index of sky value of the character we have from the sky value of A. The index we will get is 1. So at 1, we will increment the frequency of B as by 1. Suppose the string we have was BBCD. We encounter another B. Now we will find out the index of B like this and we will update the frequency of B. Now we have C. The sky value of C is 67 and when we subtract the sky value of A from S, then we got 2. At index 2, we will increment the frequency of C as 1. Similarly, we will proceed in this way. Now after this, we will have our frequency array ready with us. Frequency array will be at index A. For this string I am creating 0. For B it's 2. For C it's 1. For D it's 0. And for the rest of the characters it's 0. So we have the frequency array with us. Now we have to check that the string is pangram or not with the help of this frequency array. So what we will do, we will traverse through the string and check if at any index of the array, if at any index the value is 0. If any index the frequency is 0. Frequency 0 means the element is not present in the string. Therefore, the string will not be a pangram. And here we will return false. Otherwise, if this case doesn't meet while traversing the whole string, then we will return true. That means the string is a pangram. I hope the idea is clear to you. Now try to implement this. Thank you.